In the serene landscape of a pristine lake, an epic territorial showdown is about to unfold. Two regal mute swans, their alabaster feathers gleaming like polished armor, glide with calculated precision across the glassy water's surface. Their keen eyes have spotted an intruding flock of trumpeter swans, uninvited guests in their meticulously defended domain. Our mute swans spotted a trumpeter swan family, just landed in their lake, approaching the family with their wings raised. With synchronized, urgent paddling, they create distance from the territorial mute swan couple. Golden brush sweeps across the landscape. Nature composes her most breathtaking masterpiece. Watch as a graceful flock of swans takes flight, their white wings cutting through a canvas of amber, crimson, and burnt orange. The forest trembles with color. Maple leaves aflame in sunset hues, birch trees whispering their golden secrets. Below, the lake becomes a mirror of liquid crystal, reflecting this celestial dance of wings and autumn light. Each swan glides with ethereal grace, silhouetted against a sky painted in soft amber and deep russet tones. Their formation is a living poem, a choreography of migration and natural beauty that speaks to the very heart of seasonal transformations. This is more than a moment. It's a celebration, a symphony of movement, color, and light. The swans drift through this living watercolor, their journey a testament to the eternal rhythm of nature's most magnificent season. As the last whispers of autumn fade, painting the world in soft, muted tones, we pause to reflect on the journey we've shared. The crisp leaves have told their stories. The migrating swans have traced their paths across golden skies, and nature's grand performance begins to draw its curtain. This season of transformation has been our companion, our canvas of memories. Each moment captured, each landscape explored, has been a treasure, a glimpse into the beautiful, ever-changing world around us. But every ending is just another beginning. Thank you for joining this adventure, for witnessing the magic of autumn's final dance. The horizon beckons, promising new landscapes, untold stories, and extraordinary moments waiting to be discovered. Until our next journey, farewell.